really easy and take it down to furan, which is one of my target molecules, furan. And then the second one is I can hydrogenate that to make THF. All right. Another thing. Let's see here. Trying to get that into focus. There we go. Another thing is that, you know, these things with benzene on it, like benzyl alcohol, toluene, benzoic acid, you know, I'd like to have a cheap way to get to it. And styrene is pretty much free. I mean, to make it is free. You just heat it up, you know, the polymer, heat it up and distill out your monomer. And you have styrene, which is right here. See? And like I said, I want to make some epoxides. Two ways I can make epoxides with that is either with the HOBR, meaning water and bromine. I can make that halohydrin, and then I can hydrolyze it down to an epoxide. Basically, it's the same thing as making a THF. This is going to come in, it's going to bust out, it's going to be deprotonated, and the O, it's negative, is going to come in here, push that BR out, and you end up with that. The other way is by H2O2. And I don't know if I've heard PBA. I don't know if that might be something else. I shouldn't have used those letters. But my PBA there means peroxybenzoic acid. Basically make it with the H2O2 and then make the same thing. Then when you got that, right, see, you got your epoxide. Now you can go two ways to get your diol. Either the basic alkaline permanganate, or you can hydrolyze it with water and acid, and one will be cis and one will be trans, but it doesn't matter if you got your diol. Now you can break that diol up. See, here's a diol there. You can break it up with either this sodium permanganate, sodium you you see the thing. Yeah, I can never pronounce that. With some acid there, and you'll get some periodate, or you can use this lead. Iodine is so tough to get. I want to make this lead tetraacetate. It does the same thing. It will open up, it'll cut this in half, that bond, that diol bond there, and you'll end up with benzaldehyde. And you can purify that with sodium bisulfite. But that lead acetate, it does a lot of other things too, like in the Hoffman degradation. You can use that lead tetraacetate instead of your bromine or your halogen. It does a bunch of stuff though. You make it from red lead, and I'm going to make some red lead, and I'm going to make all that stuff. Anyways, let me think what else. Oh, I noticed a lot of people aren't doing testing, you know, like analytical type stuff. I do see they use the bromine to, you know, show for a double bond or whatever, but I want to do like, you know, Benedict's reagent, Toland's reagent, you know, all the kinds of reagents that help you distinguish between, you know, whether you're making what you think you're making or you're making something else. Let me think. Oh, I want to make some plastics. I don't see anyone making plastics. I really want to get into plastics and polymers. Like I said, I want to do stuff with sugars. What else? A bunch of other things, but I just wanted to get a video out there. I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to do any of this stuff on a computer. So I'm trying to just get a little practice run. This way you can see what kind of stuff I want to make. Or what kind of stuff we're going to do. I like questions. Anyone got any questions? Ask me as many questions as you want. I can't talk enough about chemistry. I love it.